Center of the Plate series. Today we're going to be doing a great dish with wild salmon, some wild mushrooms, cauliflower rice. Very paleo friendly. For those of you doing the paleo diet, I think you're going to really enjoy this. And the recipe is very easy to do. So what do you say we get on with the ingredients? The ingredients are as follows. We have a 4-ounce piece of wild caught salmon. Best kind of salmon to get would be organic or wild caught. We have 2 ounces of oyster mushrooms, 2 ounces of cremini mushrooms. We're going to be using the juice of an entire lemon. We have a tablespoon of fresh julienne garlic, a quarter cup of tomato concasse, which is chopped tomato, and we have a cup and a half of cauliflower rice. This entire dish has 32 grams of fat, 21 grams of carbs, 31 grams of protein, and a calorie count of around 464. So, in my opinion, it's a great dish to have for either lunch or dinner. Okay, let's get started with the stove work here. First things first, we are going to season our salmon with Himalayan pink salt and black pepper. We're going to sear that off. I leave the skin on because I like the crispy skin in my dishes. You can certainly do it with skinless. In this other pot, I have the cauliflower rice with half a cup of water. We're steaming this until the water is completely evaporated. Then we're going to add our lemon juice from our whole lemon, salt and pepper, and that's how we're going to serve that. With salmon, I don't finish this in the oven. I finish this on the stove top, so I get a nice sear on both sides. Flip it back and forth every couple minutes. Check the internal temperature until it's 140 degrees. Okay, our salmon is working very nicely here. We're going to cover that and let that finish on low. Now, the cauliflower, it's completely evaporated. We're going to add in the lemon now, without the seeds. All right, it's going to give a nice lemony taste to go with that salmon. Seasoned with black pepper, Himalayan pink. Let that steam till we're ready to plate. Okay, now for our mushrooms, we have 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in here, almost smoking. Now we're going to add in our mushrooms at that point. We're going to pan roast those. Once again, seasoned with a little Himalayan pink, black pepper. You're going to pan roast these for about 5 minutes. Right, our 5 minutes is up. You see they're beautiful golden brown pan roasted there. We are going to add in our tomatoes and our basil. Give it a quick toss. And we're going to get on to plating this wonderful wild salmon. Okay, first things first, we're going to put the cauliflower rice directly on this plate. At the center there. This is heavy on the vegetables, it seems, but it's a great hearty dish to have. It doesn't have a lot of fat, and it's got enough of the simple carbohydrates to give you the energy you need. As you can see, we're putting the mushrooms around here as is. So, now we have our salmon directly in the center like that. And I'm going to garnish lemon, a little bit of bright red here also around just for good measure. And that is your wild salmon, roasted mushrooms, and cauliflower rice. Enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this video of roasted salmon, mushrooms, cauliflower rice. Great for the paleo diet. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe, hit the bell next to it. You'll get the notifications when I make new videos. And until next time, if you eat well, you're going to be well. Thanks for watching.